Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to move a VM that's outside of a network into a virtual network. So I created this VM here, app3, that is actually outside of the network, and I want to move it into this network that I created here called BEV10. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to my VMs and I'm actually going to delete it. So when I choose delete here, don't be too alarmed when you click delete. It gives you two choices: delete the attached disk or keep the attached disk. I'm going to choose keep the attached disk, and it's going to say here, this operation will delete virtual machine bev10 app3. Are you sure you want to continue? And then it'll also mention the attached disk and their virtual hard drive files won't be deleted from your storage account. So I'm going to choose yes, but make sure you choose keep when you click delete. So it's going to start to delete that, and notice it deleted it from the list of VMs. So now I'm going to go to cloud services and I'm going to delete so it actually didn't refresh. So okay, so I deleted the virtual machine and I left the hard drive. Now if I go back to cloud services, you'll notice I still have this bev10 app3 cloud service, so I'll have to delete that also, because I'm going to create the virtual machine with the same name using that hard drive that I persisted into my storage. So it's going to delete this. So when it's deleted, I'm going to go back to virtual machines and I'm going to click new machine, and I'm going to do from gallery, and instead of choosing here, I'm going to choose my disk. And notice I have two disks, and I believe the one that I'm using is right here. So I am gonna, and yeah, you have to be careful. Sometimes if you go in here, this might be empty, and that's because after you delete it, this screen takes a while to refresh. So just come back in 5 minutes if you don't see anything. Don't panic if you don't see the virtual hard drive here when you click my disk. Sometimes it doesn't appear yet. So it does take time to refresh. So I'm going to choose my disk here and I'm going to click next. And I'm going to give it the same name, virtual machine, that I had before. And notice here, here's a method of actually changing the configuration or changing the size of the virtual machine also, by keeping the disk and then recreating the VM this way, choosing more memory or whatever the case, whatever your case is. So I'm going to click next here, and here's where it lets me choose the virtual hard drive, the virtual network. And the reason why it's limiting me to these these regions is because my hard drive is located here. Now if I wanted to actually move my hard drive to a different location, I would actually have to use PowerShell to do the copy, and I'm going to show you that in another video. But as it stands here, here's where I could put my virtual hard drive into this network, which I'll do. And I'm just going to change some of these settings here. My company actually blocks a few ports with its firewall, so I'm going to put it on 1443 for now for my RDP, my remote desktop, and I'm just going to click next. So here's where I actually put the VM, moving it from outside of the network into this network, and I'm just going to click next. So that's really it. That's how you move a VM that's outside of a network into a specific virtual network, and I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.